Now, namaste everybody. So now let's chant Om 3 times. Om. A great salute to universe. So now let's practice on the Ajna Chakra. Ajna Chakra help to balance to our brain, our mind, which work for wisdom, intelligence and intellectuality. Make our sharp mind and good for the eye vision, etc. So let's practice Shambhavi Mudra. So before that, we must to clean our nose. For that, let's make the nasal cleansing breathe. Deep inhale and deep exhale now. Sound breathe 6 times only. Both hand upon the knee. Now let's do. Now deep inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now continue again. Let's do nasal cleansing. One by one nose. Deep inhale through the left nose. Exhale through the right nose 6 times. And 6 times inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. With the right hand gesture of the pranayam. So close your right nose, open your left. So deep inhale, sound breathe. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now inhale through the right nose, exhale through the left nose, sound breathe. So now deep inhale, now. So it was the nasal cleansing. Inhale through the right, exhale through the left, sound breathe. So now let's practice the Shambhavi Mudra. Shambhavi Mudra, we need to gaze between the eyebrows. So the question is, how many minutes we must gaze between the eyebrows? So my opinion, you must gaze as long as possible, but you can repeat for 6 minutes, 9 minutes or 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24. And after that, you must close your eyes and gaze between the eyebrows, visualize white circle. So now let's do the Shambhavi Mudra. An authentic breathe. If person have contact lenses, eyeglasses, remove it. Or if a person have any eye operation or surgery, so please be careful and do your physical levels. It's very good for physical level, for the eyesight, eye vision and more. And is really work for wisdom, intellectuality and intelligent. So now let's do. Now close the eyes and gaze between the eyebrows. Visualize the white circle or two petal chakras. It's known as the Ajna Chakra. After for a while, again gentle open your eyes and gaze between the eyebrows. Again close the eyes and gaze between the eyebrows. Again, very gentle, open your eyes and gaze between the eyebrows. And close your eyes and now concentrate and gaze between the eyebrows. Visualize a wide circle or with the two petals Ajna Chakra. You can choose for 6 minutes, 12 minutes, 18 minutes, 24 minutes or 30 minutes or more than that for 1 hour. After that, bring your both hands upon the chest and let's chant Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Great. Thanks to universe. Rub your palms, put upon the eyes, open and close your eyes underneath the palms. Now thanks everybody.